How to force restart the iPhone to fix frozen or unresponsive screen for the iPhone 16 series. So the first thing that you need to do is to press on the volume up button. So press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. So let's do it now. Let's do a demonstration. So press on the volume up and let go. So press on the volume down, let go, then press and hold on the side button. Now continue to hold until you see the Apple logo appear. And this will force your iPhone 16 to restart. Doing this can help fix issues with related to frozen screen or the screen is unresponsive due to maybe app causing memory leak or bugs from apps that are hogging up all the memory, causing your phone to crash. So give that a try and see if you can fix issues with your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.